In a democracy, information is power. And in India, the Right to Information Act, 2005 empowers its citizens with the right to access information from the government. The Right to Information Act, enacted on October 12, 2005, is a landmark legislation that empowers every citizen of India to seek information from public authorities. Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to freedom of speech and expression, which includes the right to seek information. The RTI Act mandates timely response to citizens' requests for government information and promotes transparency and accountability in the functioning of public authorities. The process is simple. Any citizen can file an RTI application addressing the Public Information Officer (PIO) of the concerned department, seeking information on any matter of public interest. The Act covers various government bodies, including central, state and local authorities, as well as non-governmental organizations receiving substantial funding from the government. Upon receiving an RTI application, the PO is required to respond within 30 days, providing the requested information or explaining the reasons for denial, which are limited and specific. In case of dissatisfaction with the response or non-receipt of a response, citizens have the right to appeal to higher authorities, ultimately reaching the Central Information Commission or State Information Commission. Since its enactment, the RTI Act has empowered citizens to uncover corruption, hold public officials accountable, and ensure effective governance. Know your rights. Exercise your right to information. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe for more video.